Hello everyone, my name is Blair Burke and I am the art teacher at Junction City Middle School, so I get to teach grade levels 6th through 8th grade. I have around 165 students this semester and they all keep me on my toes, but I am very blessed to be teaching them face to face. I have been with USD 475 for 3 years, and this is my second year teaching at the middle school. Unfortunately, it is my last because I am a military spouse, and we have to PCS at the end of this school year. We'll be going back home to Virginia, which is where I'm originally from, and Kansas has been welcoming, to say the least, and I am pretty sad about leaving and going home. So I guess that is the interesting fact about me. Other than that, I have 2 rescue fur babies. I have a dog named Cora, and she's a boxer lab mix. And then I have a cat named Fred, and they are best friends and inseparable, and get on my last nerve, but I love them so much. So what I think reflective teaching and the process of reflective teaching is basically just reflecting on your teaching methods and pulling data to see what you can increase, what you can navigate, ways that you can implement change to strengthen your teaching styles and make sure that you're meeting the needs of all of the diverse learners, and just strategizing ways that you can grow personally and professionally. So I am really looking forward to this class. Personally, I would like to reflect more on how I can continue to grow as a professional with having to adapt to change so many times, so frequently. Being a military spouse, it's hard to start over, and I just want to make sure that my curriculum is strengthened enough and my teaching is strong enough that I can implement positive change wherever I go. So that is me, and I look forward to this class with you all, and I'm excited to learn and grow alongside y'all. So talk to you soon.